Welcome back. We want to begin to look at the editing or revision tools that we can use without having to use a prompt. If we scroll here to the top, we can go to this element that says Show Drafts. Gemini will give us 3 versions of the same answer to our query. We can also click this Regenerate button and we can regenerate 3 drafts if we don't like the 3 drafts that we have been given. The default is always going to be draft 1. We can click on top of draft 2 and then see that revision. We can also click on top of draft 3. And once again, we can regenerate all the drafts to get them again. If we scroll to the bottom, we can click on this element that says Modify Response. And we can regenerate the entire response. That's going to give us one single response regeneration. We can choose then to make it shorter. We can choose to make the element longer, or we can choose to make it simpler. And again, we also have these tonal elements we can add. We can make our content more casual. We can make it more professional. So for the sake of example, we're going to choose to make it more professional. Once we have that content, we're going to modify the response again, and we're going to make it longer. So you can use the tools inside of Gemini without having to use a prompt in order to manage the content that you generate. Okay, so for that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.